We all have 24 hours in a day, so why can it feel so hard to find the time to exercise? If you constantly feel like you're too busy to work out, stick with me. I want to reframe that problem and then give you 3 simple strategies that actually work. G'day, it's Jack from Be Mobile Physio, your at-home exercise experts for adults 55 plus. Now, the number one reason we hear for people not starting and sticking to exercise is that they don't have the time. But today, I'm going to talk about a necessary truth. It's rarely a lack of time, it's mostly a lack of priority. Now, I'm not saying that to make you feel guilty. I'm saying that because I want to empower you. Because we need to be honest about the problem if we're going to address it effectively. So in this video today, I want to show you how to make exercise a priority so you can get fit and strong, to be more confident on your daily walks with your dog, to garden for longer without feeling so stiff the next day, and to feel more confident getting around on your next holiday. So I'm going to give you 3 strategies to shift your mindset from finding the time to making the time for your health. Think about it. You wouldn't miss an appointment with a doctor or specialist just because things got a bit busy. Why? Because you value that appointment and you've scheduled it. Well, the same amount of respect needs to be given to exercise. So our first strategy is to stop treating exercise as a vague idea and start treating it as a non-negotiable appointment. So at the start of every week, you can schedule in your exercise via a calendar or perhaps write it in your phone. So I might do Tuesday at 9 a.m. I'm going to schedule in my strength workout and I'm going to make sure I set a reminder so I know when my non-negotiable appointment is happening. Even with the best intentions, small obstacles can derail us. So the second strategy is to make it as easy as possible to get started with exercise when the time comes. You need to reduce the friction. So if you've got a morning walk scheduled with a friend, well then make sure you leave your shoes out the night before so it's easy to put them on and get out the door. Or if you're planning a strength workout in the morning, make sure you set out all your equipment and your workout gear so it's easy to get started. Putting these little strategies into place removes that friction so you can get into exercise quicker. Now, what about those days where you feel tired, sore, and you really just don't have the energy to do a full planned workout? This is where a lot of people give up. So our final strategy is to have a backup plan. The goal is always to do something rather than nothing. Your backup plan can be simple. Let's just say you had a 30-minute walk planned. You can just do a 5-minute walk instead. Or if you had a full strength session planned, you can just do the warm-up and perhaps the first round. The main point is to keep going with that appointment that you've scheduled for yourself. Doing something rather than nothing is always the way to building habits in the long term. So there you have it. It's not about magic, it's about method. Book an appointment with yourself, remove the friction, and always do something rather than nothing. If you're ready to turn these strategies into action with a physio-guided plan, well then make sure you head to the description below, click on the first link to join us and start your journey to exercise.